How to recover a PlayStation account without email. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into the video. Open up a browser that you prefer and in the search bar search for PlayStation Help. Select the first one, that is your PlayStation Support. In here, in the Browse category, you have to select the option of Account and Security. In here, we'll be searching for the option of Account Management. So select the option of Account and Security first and foremost. In here, you will find different categories. Select the option of Account Management. So go ahead and tap on Account Management. From here, select Compromised Account. Now, you have to tap on the option of I don't recognize an email about a change to my account. You can just tap on it. Now right here at the bottom, you will see Recover Account. Tap on that. It will redirect you to a new article. Here you can recover an account with a passkey, reset a password, or with an verification email. You can just tap on any of this option that you find convenient to you and you will find a portal to the designated solution. If you select Recover an account with a passkey, you have to tap on the Account Management portal and it will redirect you to a new page where you can easily add your username and your Recover passkey. By entering it, you'll be able to recover your PlayStation account without an email. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.